Hey, how you doing, Randy? This is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for taking the time to click on this video and watch it. And I really do appreciate you taking the time to answer my phone call. You actually called me back and responded to my voicemail earlier, while you mentioned that you were busy putting out fires. So I just appreciate you, getting back to me. I just wanted to make you a quick video and kind of show you some things I noticed you could do to help improve traffic through your website, Randy. Yeah, if you're wondering why I'm making this video, I just find that a lot of business owners don't really have the time to learn how to actually make the internet work for themselves to bring in more customers. And usually the only thing that holds them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. Typically, when I give these attack plans out for free, people will still call me back and say, you know what? I like you, Peter. I would just rather you handle this stuff for me. So at the end of the video, Randy, if you notice, I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve and could actually help grow you guys' business. Feel free to circle back with me. I'd love to talk more about it. And if you just wanted to take this information and apply it yourself and then run with it, that works for me too, okay? What I want to go over real briefly is just how to make your website more of an authority, how to gain you guys more trust in the eyes of Google, and how to get you ranked locally in Google's map pack, okay? So starting off just by looking at you guys' website, overall it looks great, right? Like I like your logo, you got links to your socials, it's secured, you have a call to action here, a bunch of pages. This whole, like overall the aesthetic of it looks great and you have a bunch of pictures. Okay. So the first thing I want to touch on, Randy, right, how to make you guys' website more of an authority. Google is more so concerned with the amount of content on your homepage. Again, the layout is great, but you guys do need to have more content. And all content is just words on your page. You want to have between 1,500 to 2,000 words to be considered authoritative. You guys, again, it's not blank, but I can tell you guys are probably sitting around like 500 to 800 words. So having more content is going to give Google, it's going to help the algorithm in your favor and give it more room to kind of rank the keywords that you guys want to rank for, okay? And another thing, while I'm here too, little secret, like what you save your pictures as is really important. See, that says Vance Air Heat logo. If you were to go back through here in each one of these pictures, save that as a keyword, right? Save that as, I'm drawing blanks on where you guys are located currently, but the city that you work in, HVAC contractors or HVAC contractors, the city that you work in, and so forth. That's an easy way to save extra keywords in your content. Okay. Now I'm popping over to a tool that we use called Ahrefs. I'm going to touch on how to make your website more trustworthy. So when that's going to be judged on how many relevant websites are pointing back to you, okay? Which is what we call referring domains. It's very, very important that you make sure the websites that you guys have backlinks on are relevant to your industry, okay? Because if they're not, like for example, you don't want pizza companies pointing back to you because you guys aren't a pizza company, okay? So it's very important that the websites point back to you are relevant to your industry. And the last thing is how to get you guys ranked in the local map pack. If we search Rosenberg, Texas HVAC contractors, you guys would definitely, there's room to catch more traffic. The only thing you really need to do to be ranked here is have more citations than your competitors. All a citation is, Randy, is how many times your business name, phone number, and address is listed in different directories across the internet, like Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Craigslist, Home Advisor, Facebook is even one. So literally just go in and copy each one of the directories that your competitors are listed in and add yourself to about 50 more. And that would put you guys in one of the top 3 spots on this local map pack and you start catching more traffic that way. So yeah, Randy, that's pretty much all I got. I know it was a lot of information. So just a quick recap. Content is king. Your website looks good. It would benefit you guys to add more content to your homepage between 1,500 to 2,000 words, and that's going to give you guys more room to rank for some of these keywords that you guys want to rank for, right? Like AC repair Richmond, Texas. I can see you're on the third page of Google for that, right? Um, like AC repair Rosenberg, Texas. You guys are on the third page for that as well. If you had more content on your homepage, that would favor Google's algorithm and give those keywords you're ranking for more power and put you closer to the front page, okay? Um, moving on to the backlinks, just make sure that you guys are getting relevant backlinks and referring domains pointing back to your website, or you're going to lose power that way. And then if you wanted to catch traffic this way too, go find out the same directories these guys are listed in and add yourselves to the same ones, and then find, 20 to 50 more on top of that. So that's all I got, Randy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, feel free to circle back with me. We can discuss anything further. If anything, I would appreciate at least just a line of feedback if you found any of the information valuable or useful at all. Again, my name is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. My number is 682-269-6391. That's 682-269-6391. Thanks, Randy. Have a good one. Bye.